What we have over here is a perfect example of what you can do with seedlings to achieve this on a piece of land that's just 1 acre big. Now, what we need to let you know is that 95% of the trees you see over here were from a certified source. The other 5% were trees or seedlings sourced from the roadside. Here's how. This 1 acre piece of land was experimental, seeing that the owner had planted seedlings of the same species. By this we mean to a class of plants whose members have the same main characteristics and are able to breed with each other. This was a eucalyptus plant. These type of eucalyptus included the Eucalyptus grandis, the Eucalyptus saligna, the Eucalyptus duni and the Eucalyptus europhylla. Out of the 750 eucalyptus seedlings bought locally, 5 of them were from non-certified seedling supplier. The other 745 did very well 5 years after being planted. Everything was consistent for both the certified and the non-certified seedlings. This included best nursery practices, potting, sowing and treatment. What we have over here is a locally sourced Eucalyptus saligna. It didn't do very well compared to the other ones that were also sourced locally, and that's why you have it in this characteristic format. Very thin. You can actually literally put your hand around it or your palms around it as compared to that one. And then also look at the branches, not at all, and then it's super weak. Of course, that tells you that this particular seedling wasn't certified, going by the looks several years later. What stands out from certified seedlings is that they have uniformity, a growth rate that is steady, and their survival rate optimum as part of their characteristic trait. With a spacing of 3 meters by 2 on a 1 acre piece of land, you should be able to achieve 750 trees like what we have over here. But here's the catch. Make sure you get your seedlings from a certified source. That's it. That's all you need to know. Certified seedlings gives you great forests such as this.